Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. So as you can see, we are at Dollar General and we are about to get into a few deals. So the first couple deals that I am going to do will be all digital coupon deals, y'all, and we're gonna grab some gain items. We are going to get some household items and we're gonna do some all digital deals for some low out of pocket. You know how we do. So I'm gonna do two all digital deals and then I'm gonna do one gain deal that's going to be like all gain products, but we're going to start off with our all digital deals that are going to have a variety of products in them. So for these first two deals, what I want to grab is one of these gain fireworks. So these are the 10-ounce fireworks, but we talked about this deal earlier in the week. They are $6.95. We have a $4 digital coupon that is working on this, so we're going to grab these, and we're also going to grab one of these Big Daddy fabric softeners as well. They are $7.50, and that same $4 coupon works on them, so I'm going to grab one for each one of the accounts that I'm going to use today. I am also going to grab a couple of these gain fireworks. So these are $3.95. We're going to be using our $2 digital coupon on these, and I think I'm going to grab some gain fabric softener sheets as well. So these are the ones that I want. They are $4.50. I have a $2 digital on one of my accounts that should work for one of those. As a filler item, I'm also going to need one of these 34 count dryer sheets. These are $2. We're going to use our $1 digital coupon. All right, you guys, so this should be my first deal with all digital coupons. Y'all, this deal should be so good if everything works out right. So we are going to use nothing but digitals on this deal. Let me show you the breakdown. So the first item we're going to grab is one of the 5.7 ounce gain fireworks. So these are $3.95. We're going to use our $2 digital coupon. The second item we're going to grab is one of the Axe deodorant. Those are $2.50. We went over that deal earlier in the week. We are going to use our $2 digital coupon. Then we're going to grab two of these travel size Dove deodorants. I am super excited about this. So we had a brand new digital pop up on some accounts, not all accounts, for $2.50 off two Dove deodorants. Y'all, it is attaching to the travel size deodorants that are only $125, making those absolutely free. Then we got one of the Degree men's, so those are $185. We're going to use our $125 off digital coupon, making that only 60 cents, and we're going to redeem back for $1 back on Fetch, making that a moneymaker. Then we have our big gain fireworks. That is $6.95. We're going to use our $4 digital coupon, and our big Simply Soleil razors, $3.30. We're going to use our $3 digital, and then I threw in some Scott toilet paper just because I'm happy it's back in stock and I need it. So I won't be using a coupon on that, but I promise you guys it is going to work out with all of these other great digitals that we have. And of course, we are going to use our 5 off of 25. So our total for this transaction before any digitals are applied should be $25.05, I believe. So that qualifies us to use that 5 off of 25 coupon. I think that our total post coupons is going to be about $5 or $6, but I'm going to wait till I get up to the register to call the final tally just to make sure that everything works. But either way, this should be a really good deal. All right, you guys, so this is all digital deal number 2, and this one we're going to focus on the Gain fabric softener, and we're still going to grab some Scott toilet paper. Now, I should tell you guys, if you want to get something other than the Scott toilet paper, you can throw in something else that you actually have a coupon for in this deal, and it will come out super, super cheap. But I really want to focus on building my toilet paper stockpile back up, so that is why I am adding that in, even though I don't have a coupon. I just want to take advantage of these digital savings that we have. So I am going to get the 34 count dryer sheets. We're going to use that $1 digital, and it's really important to make sure that that item is scanned first so that that $1 digital attaches to that versus one of your other bigger gain items. Then I'm going to get the 105 count dryer sheet. I'll be using the $2 digital for that, and then I'm going to get this Big Daddy for $7.50. I'm going to be using our $4 digital on that, so I'm going to have that scanned scan last. Then we have all of our deodorant again. We just reviewed those digitals, and we have our Scott. So our total before any digital coupons are applied, I think it's going to be like $25.35, right around $25 exactly. So we should qualify to use that 5 off of 25 a store digital coupon. So we're going to load that plus all of our other digitals. Y'all, this transaction should come out to around $7 and some change. So we'll see what happens at the register, but this is a really good deal for these big items. So I'm going to go ahead and take these up to the register and check out. I have my cart kind of divided up, so that'll be my first deal, and then I'll put these items in behind. Let's see how these first two deals work out. All right, you guys, so I am back in the car. We got everything there. We got our Scott. We got all of our Gain goodies. Y'all, these deals worked out so good. So let's go over my receipt. So this is the receipt for the first deal that we talked about. This is the one with the 2 Gain fireworks and the Bic razors included. I'll put a picture up of that deal on the screen so you can see which deal this receipt is for. So there's our Gain fireworks. That was $3.95, $2 digital. Our Degree, $185, $125 digital. Our 2 Dove deodorants, they were $125 each. Our $2.50 digital came off for that. There's our Axe, $2.50 with the $2 digital. Our Bic razors, $3.30 with the $3 digital. Our Gain fireworks, our big one that we had scanned last, that was $6.95 with the $4 digital. And then our Scott toilet paper that we did not use a coupon on. Y'all, our total came up to $6.30 for all 8 of those items. Just $6.30, plus we got back $1 from Fetch. Y'all, that made this transaction only $5.30. That was so good, especially to have toilet paper included. Now let me show you the second deal. Okay, so here's the transaction for the second deal. This is the one where we had the big Gain Fire fabric softener and the fabric softener sheet. So I'll put a picture up on the screen so you can see which deal this receipt is for. So there's our Scott Comfort Plus $5, no coupons. There's our 34 count dryer sheets that we had scanned first with the $1 digital coupon. There's our Bic Simply Soleil razors. Y'all, did I pick up razors in this transaction? I did not mean to pick up razors in that transaction, so that's why this one was a little bit higher than I expected. So the Bic Simply Soleil razors, I apparently put those into this transaction as well. $3.30 with a $3 digital coupon. There's our Dove, $2.50 for 2 $2.50 digital coupon. There's our Gain sheets, $4.50 with the $2 digital. There is our Degree, $185 with the $125 digital. Our Axe, $2.50 with the $2 digital, and then our Gain fabric softener 90 ounce, that was $7.50 with the $4 digital. Our subtotal came out to $8.40 for those 9 items, and we had a total savings of $20.75 in this deal. We saved over $20 in that deal, and I also got back another $1 from Fetch, making our final out-of-pocket cost just $7 for all 9 items. Y'all, this was another good deal. So let's go on to store number 2, and at this store I'm just going to do a Gain deal. Okay, you guys, so now we're at store number 2, and as the first item in my deal, I'm actually going to get one of these Gain concentrated detergents. I like these so much. We have a $2 digital coupon that is an exclusive coupon on some accounts. I'm going to grab this for $3.95. Now, these products are not attaching to that 5 off of 30 Gain coupon. That is unfortunate, but I'm going to go ahead and get it anyway. It should still work out in my deal. Okay, so the first item I am going to get is one of these Gain dryer sheets, 105 count again. I'm going to be using that $2 digital coupon, and I think I'm going to get one of the 34 count dryer sheets as well. We're going to use that $1 digital on this. And then let me look at the fireworks. Do I want one of the Big Daddies or one of the fireworks? I think I'm going to get one of the Big Daddies for $7.95, and we will use that $4 digital on this. I am also going to get one of the regular size Gain fireworks. So these are $3.95. I'm going to use our $2 digital coupon on this. I am also going to grab 2 of the Gain liquid laundry detergents. These are $5 a piece. I'm going to use $1 paper coupons on these. Okay, you guys, so I wanted to get two of the Gain dish soaps and use the dollar off of two digital, but y'all, my store is out of Gain dish soaps, so I'm gonna have to improvise real quick. Okay, you guys, so this is going to be my Gain deal, and I am going to have to use a few paper coupons in this deal just because of the availability of what's here in the store. I am going to leave off my Gain Essential since it's not attaching to that 5 off of 30, and it's making my total a little bit higher than what I want it to be. So this is everything that I'm getting from a Gain perspective. I think the total for this is $31.65. Don't quote me, I will put it up on the screen, but let's review the coupons that I'm going to be using. So because this is over $30 worth of Gain, we're going to use our 5 off of 25 plus our 5 off of 30 Gain store coupon. So I am going to grab the 34 count dryer sheets. I'll use the $1 digital on that. I have two of the Gain fireworks. On one of them, I'm going to use the $2 digital. On the other one, I have a $1 paper coupon. I have the Big Daddy Gain fabric softener, $4.50. We're going to use that $4 digital. It's $7.50. We're going to use that $4 digital. And then I have a Gain liquid laundry detergent. I'm going to use a $1 paper coupon on that. I have a Gain powder detergent. That is $4.75. I am going to use a $1 coupon on that. And then I have the 105 count dryer sheets. I am going to use a $2 digital coupon on that. After all of my coupons are applied, I think I'm going to be under $10, but I don't want to quote it because we got a lot going on right here. So let's go up to the register and see how this Gain transaction works out. Oh, and before I go up to the register, let's talk about the order of checkout real quick. Of course, I'm going to have this little small one scanned first. Then I'm going to have the Gain fireworks scanned. Then I'm going to have this one scanned right here, this 105 count dryer sheets. Then I will have the Big Daddy Gain scanned, and then all of my other Gain products. So that is the order of operations for today. All right, you guys. So that Gain situation worked out quite all right with me. I did not know how it was going to turn out with all of those different Gain digitals and all of those paper coupons, but y'all, we did good. So here is our receipt. So there is our Gain 34 count dryer sheets, and then the $1 paper coupon attached to that. That's interesting. There's our Gain fireworks. Those are $3.95, $2 digital coupon. Our Gain sheets, $4.50, $2 digital coupon. Our Gain Big Boy fabric softener, $7.50, our $4 digital coupon. There's our Gain powder detergent. That was $4.85 instead of $4.75. $1 paper coupon for that one. There's our Gain liquid detergent. That was $5. We used the $1 paper coupon. And then there is our Gain fireworks. And then we used the $1 paper coupon on that. Subtotal came out to $9.75 for all 7 items. We had a total savings of $22 in our Gain deal. So you see the two lines that say store discount. The first store discount line is our 5 off of 25. The second store discount line is our 5 off of 30 Gain. So when you see those double store discounts like that, that is how you know that both discounts did apply, and we just paid $9.75. And for the big boy items that we got and the detergent and the fireworks, y'all, $9.75, I will take it. So that is all, you guys. I hope this deal was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.